Hi, how did you do in the examination? It was the first major law entrance examination of the season, and most of you are not even habituated of appearing for a law entrance examination in the month of December. So it was a first for many of you, isn't that? We are going to discuss the expected cutoffs of AILET UG 2023. Alright, so let's look at the number of questions. This was known to all of us that in logical reasoning there would be 70 questions worth 70 marks. In English, there would be 50 questions worth 50 marks, and in general knowledge and current affairs, there would be 30 questions worth 30 marks. So total of 150 questions worth 150 marks to be done in 90 minutes. It was all known to us. What was not known to us was like this. There was a big surprise in the form of the structure of the paper. 10 passages of 12 questions each, of which 5 questions of English followed by 7 questions of logical reasoning. We believe that the inspiration of this paper was probably taken from NL80 2020, the paper which was annulled by the Honorable Supreme Court, or NLS80 2022 of NLSIU Bangalore. Alright? Okay, this is what we feel about these three sections. The level of difficulty of general knowledge and current affairs was easy. In this particular section, you had a good number of questions from static general knowledge as well. We believe close to 10 questions were from static general knowledge. And there were as many as 6 questions from sports. Yes, you got it right. Out of 30 questions, you had 6 questions from sports. And Deepika Padukone's father also featured in the paper. Alright, the level of difficulty of English was moderate and logical reasoning was certainly difficult. Alright? Okay, now the most important thing for you at this stage. For general category, we believe that cutoff should not go above 75-76. Alright? For OBC NC, the cutoff should be 57-58. For EWS category, it should be 65-66. For SC, 48-49. For STs, 41-42. For Kashmiri residents, 60-61, and for Kashmiri migrants also 60-61. So please take a screenshot of this. We believe these would be the cutoffs. The actual cutoff should stay very close to this. Alright? Okay, these are the number of seats. I think this information is in public domain. So I will again come back to cutoffs and will repeat it as well. For general category, 75-76. For OBC NC, 57-58. For EWS, 65-66. For SCs, 48-49. For STs, 41-42. For Kashmiri residents, 60-61. And the same for Kashmiri migrants. Alright, these are the number of seats. Actually, you have 104 seats. Alright. Okay, now this is how the cutoffs were last year. AILET UG 2022, this is how the cutoffs were. This examination was of course conducted this year itself in the month of June, and this is how the cutoffs were. Alright, but this is not important for you. This is past. This is the thing for you. Alright, so please take screenshots. Alright.